Kids, come we'll see the story Nina Wonders. This is second lesson in English. Nina Wonders. Nina. Today I am not going to school. Who is not going to school? Nina. Nina is not going to school. It is a holiday. I am not going out to play. I am not going out to play. It is too hot anyway. What am I going to do? Nidin. Nina. That is, Nina is not going to school because she does not want to go to school because it is holiday, and she does not want to go to play also because it is too hot. She was thinking what to do. That time Nidin was calling Nina. Nina does not reply. Nidin goes near her and shakes her head. Nidin, I called you 3 times. Nina, sorry, I didn't hear you. Nidin, let's play a game. It's called Listen to Your Body. That is, Nidin is saying, come, we'll play a game. It is called Listen to Your Body. Really? How do we play that game? She's asking. Nina is asking. Nidin, sit down and do what I do. Who is saying? Nidin. Nidin is saying to Nina. Nidin, breathe in and out. Nina, breathe in and out. That is, Nidin is breathing in and out. Same thing Nina also doing. Can you hear your breath? Nidin is asking, can you hear your breath? Nina says, yes. Nidin, I can make my breath louder. That is, they are making the noise. Nina, I can make it even louder. Nina is saying, I can make it even louder. And she is saying, making the noise. Nidin places his hand on his chest, and so does Nina. Nidin places his hand on his chest, so does Nina. That is, Nina also doing what Nidin is doing. Nidin, listen. Do you hear anything? Nidin is asking, do you hear anything? Laptop. Someone is playing a drum. Nina is saying, laptop. Someone is playing a drum. She can hear some like a sound that someone is playing a drum. Nidin, that's your heart. It beats all the time. It beats all day. It beats all night. That is, every time the heart will beat. Nidin claps his hand, and so does Nina. Nidin, I can make a song with my hands. Nidin is saying. Nina stands up and stomps her feet. That is, Nina, she's standing up and stomps her feet. That is, she's making noise with her feet. Ha, I can make one with my feet. Tippity tappity toe, stamp. Nidin places his hand on his tummy, and so does Nina. I can hear gudu. Ha. Are you hungry? Nidin, are you hungry? Whoosh went the cooker. Nina turns to the sound. They both walk to the kitchen. That is, they can hear the sound of a cooker. Nina turns to the sound, and they both are walking to the kitchen. Nidin, I think the food is ready. Nina, how do you know? Nina is asking, how do you know? Nidin is saying, my nose says so. That is, he's smelling and is saying. Nina, one for me. Nina asking, one for me. What are you both doing in the kitchen? Father is asking, what are you both doing in the kitchen? Nina is saying, we heard the cooker. Nidin, we saw the jamuns. The jamun is so sweet. Then father is saying, oh no, one more jamuns. Oh no, no more jamuns before lunch. Off you go. That is, no more jamuns before lunch. You can't eat jamuns. Off you go. Just go away. So with this story, what is the meaning? That is, they both are playing the games. Listen to the body. That is, in our body we can hear lot of noise. We can hear anything. That is, with help of ears we can hear, with help of eyes we can see, With the help of nose we can smell things, and with the help of tongue we can taste things.